think we might create for this space which is in the center. Yeah, like that. So again, nah, not like that. Till here. Yeah, that's 2-point perspective. Look at the center room, this kitchen. Okay, that's 2-point perspective. You can keep it exact. That's the perfect 2-point perspective. Can you see that the height is parallel everywhere, parallel to each other? They are not going diagonal at all. So that's the 2-point perspective. And look at the line which are going like that. For these lines, they are parallel to each other. The perspective point is going to happen this side. For this side line, perspective point is going to happen that side. This is one of the beautiful, website. I love whoever has created this thing. Someone architect or interior designers only have created this. So you're going to do this kind of cool stuff. Okay, if you happen to be architect or interior designer. Look at this bedroom. I would like them to design my bedrooms and all this stuff. Can you see that? Okay, so this is 3-point perspective. If you happen to create 2-point perspective, you keep it like that. तब तक घुमाना है जब तक ये सारे पैरेलल हो जाए हाइट लाइन. If you have to create 1-point perspective, इसको ऐसे घुमा दो. तब तक घुमाना है जब तक the line which are creating like this, straight. Beautiful website, huh? So just explore with this and you'll be able to find out. इसको ना मार्कर ले लेना, ठीक है? ऐसे मार्कर ले लो एंड कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे खोल के और या फिर मोबाइल स्क्रीन पे भी खोल के कर सकते हो, ठीक है? मार्कर से इसके ऊपर लाइनें ड्रॉ करो एंड सी दैट दे आर गोइंग टू मीट at all these lines are going. Look at this height line, the line which are creating this, they're going on same vanishing point. Can you see that? This is 1-point perspective, but the height is remaining parallel, width is remaining parallel to each other, like that. So wait, ये appear क्यों नहीं हो रहा है तुमको? Okay, so just explore with this and we'll meet tomorrow. Sorry, I think I did not turn the camera. Just give me a second. To do this. Oh, this is what I was talking about. So take a marker, fix on this, and after that, see, speculate how the perspective is appearing. Okay, this is 1-point perspective. You have to happen to create 2-point perspective. Move this like that. use board marker so that तुम आसानी से erase कर दो उसको, ठीक है? And keep it like that here. I will find out going 2-point perspective like this. 1 perspective point this side, 1 perspective point this side, and height is remaining parallel. Okay, 3-point perspective. Move that this way. 1 vanishing point for this, 1 vanishing point for this, 1 vanishing point for these, right? All of you, whatever you have drawn, please send. Now, one thing when we are doing a perspective, you need to understand this, that while learning the technique of perspective, people become a little bit rigid in life, the way they're perceiving this thing. In examination, when you're having questions, like you have to draw some kind of space, and there you start finding, like too much rigid about, you have to find the vanishing point and blah, blah, and all this stuff. So your whole drawing, it becomes more of, it's like kind of practice paper rather than answer sheet of, this. It doesn't feel natural. It looks like you have paid a lot of attention creating perspective rather than drawing that space. Perspective should be there, but the main focus is you need to draw the space. Perspective is just a kind of your a layout you have to use, but primarily you have to design the space. You have to draw the space. So many times people do make mistakes like that, and sometimes it happens. Those people who don't know perspective, who haven't practiced perspective so much in a rigid way, they happens to be answer better than those people who know each and everything about the perspective. Because okay, वो बंदा वो space design that guy or that student was thinking about the space rather than finding vanishing points. Okay, so naturality comes there, and by chance, if that student is managed, all the lines are not even going on vanishing point, but if that student has managed to bring the essence of perspective, okay, the depth is coming, whether perspective points are meeting or not, the lines are meeting or not at same point, they are meeting on a little bit here and there also. So that shows that this student doesn't it's not following any kind of rule. That student doesn't know any rule, but whatever he has done, he has explored his life, his surroundings in proper way, and this is what the student has seen. Now after that, the student will know that how these things work. They happen to be solved in a best possible way, like the natural instinct of observing some space. That kind of understanding people get from this kind of students, that kind of personality they have. Without learning the perspective, they are observing that these lines are going like that, and they're trying to achieve on the paper, so it looks pretty natural. Now here you're going to learn perspective, you're learning perspective. So what should be do you think that anyone who don't know perspective should answer any question better than you? That should not happen, right? Especially when you know more than that person, and then someone else is answering much better way, like this type similar situation you see. एक बंदा बहुत पढ़ लिख के आया गांव में काम करने के लिए, कोई डेवलपमेंट के लिए, बस जैसे ही काम करना शुरू हुई, गांव वाले उसको सिखा रहे हैं, यार ऐसे ऐसे होता है, ऐसे ऐसे होगा, ऐसे ऐसे होगा, एंड ही वाज लाइक क्या होगा पढ़ाई का, क्या पढ़ के आए हो, पता ही नहीं है कि गांव में फंक्शन कैसे चीजें होती हैं, राइट? लंदन की डिग्री क्या होगी वहां पे? Understanding the point, as many time happens. So you need to show this thing that you have a natural instinct to observe things. After that, a couple of rules, you're just incorporating, but your prime target is to draw in space. And many people make this mistake. Recently I found out that many people are becoming too much serious about things. Oh my god, this is not the mathematics first of all. So this happened to be like, we get really good students, they flunked sometime just because they are too much rigid. You need to be flexible, okay? And this is why, rather than teaching, I like to lecture a student more, so that they can understand what is the core essence of that. After that, of course, rules you will know, you will use it in a little bit sense, but if you're focusing on the space, drawing space, and when you know perspective also, then no one is going to stand in front of you. Okay, so I hope you will understand this. Okay, anyone has made, किसी ने अभी तक नहीं भेजा?
I have sent
draw anything.
I have sent one
Did
thing.
you draw isometric? अभी तुमने बोला कि तुमने बनाया है.
Third, hello.
Yes.
I have sent one thing in the group.
Yeah, I can see you have sent
I
one,
made a
but that
first.
is perspective.
Yeah, actually there was a perspective class today, so I was just making some kind of thing. I
No,
just created it off my mind.
you did draw yesterday. What we did yesterday, did you draw that?
You are asking about isometric composition on that float plan and all.
Yeah.
So I didn't
What happened
make a
to my
plan
computer?
yesterday.
Something happened to my computer.
I posted a plan on the group, but that was the thing I previously made, but not in isometric and all. So I will surely make it today.
So whatever we learned today, no one worked on it today, right? मतलब yesterday. Okay.
Sir,
Let's
I
see what
did
we
a
can
very,
learn.
very rough plan right after yesterday's class.
Can we see? But I'm not
It's
talking about just the plan. I'm talking about, did you draw inside that plan? Did you draw anything?
not inside, but I drew the 30-degree thing. I tried doing that yesterday.
And did you click on the
I didn't
link
draw
I sent
everything.
you? I clicked
I,
that.
I saw
I
that,
sent
sir.
you the link of this 360
Yes, sir.
degree movement. So didn't you try
I
to
didn't draw
explore
everything
that?
inside.
You should have tried to explore and draw, na? All of you. क्या फायदा होगा? कल क्या किया तुम लोगों ने? What did you do yesterday? After the class and before this time today? $320. What happened in my computer? Something happened. Okay, चलो क्लास खत्म करते हैं. Draw some things so that you can ask, you can know things. You'll be having, जैसे ऐसे आके बैठ के कुछ करने से नहीं होगा. Okay, how many of you are not aware of what perspective is? You know nothing about perspective. Anyone of you? Okay, almost all of you are aware about what perspective is. So I'm giving you one drawing for 10 minutes exercise. You have to do that. We'll take up the same thing. Oh, let's take that. I'm opening that link, and you have to see that link one time. You have to remember all the objects, whatever was there. Lilesh
Yes,
don't
sir.
know anything. Lilesh, you were not there in JE class, as in NATA class.
Sir, no, sir, not premium one. Sir, I am only in mock test.
You're only in mock test.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's have a discussion about little bit. Let's brush up your head a little bit about perspective. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
can you see that this box? Perspective is something where Lilesh, have you heard this term? Have you heard this term? Don't
Yes,
know
sir,
anything
I
about it, but
heard.
have you heard it?
Yes, sir, heard.
You have heard it. Okay. So we'll explain what happens in perspective. Perspective is a thing. Lilesh, you will get the PDF of perspective. Perspective is a thing where
Okay, sir.
we create any 3D space. We take any 3D space and create that on paper. The paper is 2D flat surface, but we have to create 3D on it. Now there are 3 ways to do it. Creating depth, 3 ways to do it. One, you have light and shadow. One, you have value addition in the line, and one, you have perspective. The perspective happened to be light and shadow is product oriented, and there we create rendering and all this stuff. The line is the value addition in line is just providing kind of character to the outer structure of any object or any kind of structure where the lines are involved. Without applying any light and shadow, we try to create depth by thick and thin different kind of line, and according to the structure we create the flow of that line, thick and thin, nicely blending and nicely coming like that. So that also we don't have to bring it on. Perspective is something which is space oriented. Okay, perspective is space oriented, primarily space oriented, because whenever perspective happens we talk about a certain kind of space, not just an object. Even if you see, because perspective appears in object also, but that too denotes the space, not just the object. Objects will be there, but there will be denomination of the space, and whatever the kind of space is, whatever the length, height, width of space is, according to your placement inside this space, your placement of the eye basically, because this is how we see the world, and from there only things start. So according to the placement of your eye, the different perspectives are going to appear, the different look of space are going to appear. If you lie down on the floor and look at your room at a certain angle, it will appear a little bit differently. Visually, the angles are going to appear a little bit differently. Once you stand and see straight, it has then that is going to appear differently. So how things happen basically is, I just make you understand. The perspective simply means whenever distance happens, the objects which are the same size, they starts looking smaller, and after a point of time you don't see that object. We call it vanishing point, right? So have you seen those bridges or the roads? Whenever it goes far away, it feels like they're merging, they're going smaller. The people who are very far away, they look tiny, but when they come closer, they look larger, right? And because of the distance, change in the distance, the feeling of this thing is gradually changes. Either if they'll go away, they will start looking smaller. They will come near, then they will start looking larger. Okay, so how this thing happens basically, and we have in linear representation, we have three different kind of perspective. What is generally appears to human experience, you can consider it like that. There are more perspective also, but those happens in very special cases with two specific animals. But in human experience, we generally perceive three different perspectives. Primarily, 3-point perspective is the thing we perceive basically, not just we generally don't see 1-point perspective or 2-point perspective. But what happens whenever you see one product specific thing like that straight, then it is going to appear in 1-point perspective. This won't be 3-point perspective. It doesn't mean this is not a human experience. This is a human experience. But generally, if you start doing very much technical speculation of these things, so it will come out to be in 3-point perspective rather than 2-point perspective. Because generally the eye perceive things with a rapid eye movement. We don't focus like a camera. And when we talk about 1-point, 2-point, 3-point perspective, we are generally referring a view of a camera, an image as a whole. An image as a whole, when you create a space, when you're focusing on space at a single time, and you're trying to show, okay, this is how you're perceiving. First of all, this doesn't happen. Doesn't happen with the human eye. This happens with camera only. Okay, एक बड़ा सा frame होगा. You're able to perceive this my room, complete room like that. So through the camera you are able to see this thing. But if you start seeing from your own eye, it happens with a rapid eye movement. We see small area, we include that, after that we jump of the next, adjacent to that, then again we capture the image, then again shift, capture the image. That's how we create a series of the images, and we combine together, our brain combine together and creates a feeling of a one space. Okay, this is why you find out sometimes you're taking a photograph in nature or somewhere, anywhere at a bigger space. You click the photograph and you didn't see with your eye, but later on you find out there is a lizard in the corner, or maybe there is a snake or something. वो फोटो में दिख रहा है, ये तो दिखा ही नहीं. Why this happens? Because your eye did not focus on that particular spot. We see image with a rapid eye movement. वहां पे eye घूम के गया ही नहीं. But your camera focuses whole frame at one single time. Okay, so camera lens, that's a big difference with your eye lens and camera lens. You must have studied this thing in physics, maybe 9th or 10th standard. Human eye, the lens of human eye, and the man-made lenses. चैप्टर था ना फिजिक्स में?
Yes sir, yes.
11th में भी होगा, आई थिंक 11th 12th में कहीं पे.
Yes sir.
About lenses, light, about light also you must be having light images and all this stuff.
Yes sir.
Yeah. So this is what happens. So now we are going to understand, like, in what conditions, what all perspective appears. So let's see, we have three-dimensional space, 3 dimension, one height, width and length, and we have 3 different perspectives. Perspective only happens when we create distance. Okay, so any of the dimension, if you create distance, what will happen? Suppose you have this, let's see, and the dimension, the length dimension is creating distance here. Let's see that. Okay, I think I should use ये black है ना, ठीक से दिख रहा है. All of you, please increase your brightness of your phone so that you can see things better way. Increase the brightness. पूरा full कर लो, brightness full कर लो एकदम. You'll see there will be big difference. All right. So now, if you see this object, let me give it with an height. I need a height. All right. Now the camera of my phone is the eye. Basically, we are playing with this object. Okay. All right. Now I'm placing the object here below eye level, like that. So okay. So the focus of this camera is the eye level is going straight here, around here. Okay, and you will see the object is below eye level. All right. Now, but the object, we are not placing the object with an angle. We are placing object, exactly in the same placement. I'll show you in a much better way also. Let's have this. ये मैंने स्टडी के लिए बनाया है, इसको will explain in some time that how you are going to use this thing. Okay. Damn, man. All right. So this is going to be 1 point perspective. All right. Now this object, we are keeping it here. Okay. अंधेरा हो गया, रुक जाओ मैं खिड़की खोल देता हूँ इधर से, थोड़ा सा लाइट आ जाएगा. ओके, थोड़ा सा लाइट आया. कैन वी कीप इट दिस वे? या, इधर से लाइट और ज्यादा आएगा. Yeah. Let's open these windows. You have carton this thing no at home? पढ़े होंगे ना घर पे तुम्हारे?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You're going to make this.
Yes, sir.
This will help you
Yes, sir.
a lot in your study of perspective. This will help you a lot. All right. Now we have better light. Okay. So let's see. We are keeping the object here. All right. This is 1 point perspective. Okay. We are keeping this object like that. This is 1 point perspective. We are just keeping object here where you are able to see the top of this object. Okay. The focus of camera, the camera eye, whatever you're talking about, is straight in the center, somewhere in the center. Okay. And this object has been placed below the eye level. All right. Why this is looking in 1 point perspective only? Because this object is just a part of this bigger thing, right? Just because it has been, the structure of this object is little bit smaller and it has been placed here, then you are able to see the top of the object, you are able to see the side of the object, but still 1 point perspective only appearing. Why? Because we didn't change the angle of the eye. The angle of eye is still remaining the same place. So whenever you place any kind of object inside this kind of layout, it talks about a big layout rather than small objects. Sometimes people get confused. If you're placing the object here, so why not, because this is going down, why not this will make perspective point? No, we place the object here, but the angle of camera we didn't change. It is straight focusing in the front only. All right. Till the time you don't change the angle, this is going to be appear in 1 point perspective only. And this is how we create, keeping just 1 point, all the length line. You can see this object. Let's keep one more object on top of it here. All right. So all the length line which are going, you can इसको में टेढ़ा हो गया है बहुत ज़्यादा ये सब ये टेढ़ा. Okay, so all the length line which are going, they are creating distance, right? So this is near your eye, but the back of this object is far away from your eye, right? It's creating distance. So they all will go meet at the same vanishing point. There will be one vanishing point appearing, and all these lines, this line, the bottom line here, the bottom line this way, they will all go at same vanishing point, as well as a 3 point perspective. The 3 dimension of this one, the length dimension, which is the length is being parallel to all the length of the main space, right? Can you see that? This length, they are exactly parallel. They are exactly parallel to each other. एकदम दीवार से सर रखा हुआ है, wall से चिपका के रखा हुआ है, right? So all these length lines are parallel to the length line of this whole space. Now, because of this situation, even these also, the length which is creating distance, they will also go at the same vanishing point. We have only one vanishing point. The height and the width are going to remain as it is. As it is, they are going to be either, if it's a square shape, you can do like that, or if it's a rectangle, the angle has to be 90 degree everywhere. The angle has to be 90 degree everywhere. For the height, even for the objects also, they will be having rectangular space. Now when you talk about a 2 point perspective, then we change the angle either this way, or you can change this way. Now let's see. We have some windows here. I'll give you understanding of that. consider this is balcony. Okay, and this is a death's door. If someone wants to have fun in balcony, they can go in this way. Someone wants to have fun in this balcony, they can go this way. Okay, swing niche. We have some fancy balcony here, a triangular one. इसका नाम कौन सा है? Okay, now see that. Two-point perspective. What is happening? This corner is coming in the front, but from here to here there is a distance being created. Is it? Distance being created, and whenever distance will be creating will be there, they will create vanishing point, right? They will all go at a similar point. Now you see that all these lines, all these balconies, all these things are parallel to each other. Look at that. They are exactly parallel to each other. Whenever you keep this thing, we just understood, no? If lines will be parallel to each other, they'll go at the same vanishing point. Okay? Just ignore this one, no? Exact 90 degree पे नहीं आ रहा है. But yeah. Okay, now if you see this situation, all these lines which are creating this distance, they will go at one vanishing point. Now there will be another vanishing point for this side. Please pay attention on this box. There one more vanishing point will appear, which is going to be in this direction. Okay, so एक इधर बनेगा और एक इधर बनेगा. All these lines. Now you can see that if you have such thing which is going diagonal, height might go diagonal, but width and the length for sure is going to be, because that is going to be parallel. Whether you do this or you do that, the orientation of this thing is not going to change. It will be parallel to this only. Yeah, of course, the orientation of this is might going to change according to this line. Okay, अगर तुम इसको ऊपर नीचे करते हो तो. So what's gonna happen? This side, whatever the lines are going, all these lines, this is going diagonal. तो ये उधर vanishing point पे नहीं जाएगा. Why? Because the structure is not parallel. Look at this structure. Can you see that? This is parallel. This is parallel to this, but can you see this is going diagonal? Okay. Now in this case, what will happen? The line which is creating this line will go at that vanishing point, but this for this two-point perspective, where we create distance in two dimension, isn't width, but height is going to remain as it is. Okay, 90 degrees straight. Now for three-point perspective, we are going to change the angle. Now we are going to go up. Okay, now if you see from this angle, the length and width is creating distance. That was happening because like that. Now the height is also creating distance here. Either you go up, so you'll happen like this, or you go down, happen like this. All right, so what is happening? The height is also, can you see they are going diagonal like that? This is coming like that. They'll feel like, you know, they are going to meet at one point. In terms of that, the balconies and these doors, they are having height. They are going, these lines also will go at the same vanishing point. Okay, so this is the basic thing happens with the perspective. I just quickly draw a little bit so that you can understand that how we can incorporate these things in drawing. Okay, so suppose you'll be having any kind of space, and the question will be like, you are looking at a space with a certain angle. Give me situation from which angle we need to see a space. Lilesh, give a situation.
From top.
On top,
Yes, sir.
someone is suiciding, someone is committing suicide and looking at the room. Like, ऊपर से. No, that will be little bit lethal. Let's not talk about those kind of stuff. I hope all of you are 18 plus, or at least 16 plus. Those violent movies, you see, they are like 16 plus. And if 18 plus content come, then only it becomes, some those kind of content. Then it becomes like 18 plus. So all of you are 16 plus. We can talk about those stuff.
So can it be like this?
What?
Can it be like this? Like if you look it from down, like
Viswas. No. These side to left side and right side buildings are good, but the building in the center is not, because the height is not going diagonal there. The height is not going meeting at this point. The height are parallel there. You can see that the height line is parallel there.
so can you show it like to the corrections?
Everyone, can you see Samprikta what she has done?
Yes, in the center building, it's almost parallel. If there is a deflection also, there is almost 5 to 10 degrees deflection. Not
Wait, समझ गया. Tulsidas, you are Gyani, I know. I'm just telling, please see what she has done. Okay, please see what she has done. All of you, Nilesh, you especially, see what Samprikta has done. Jolly Nanapurva, you too. I hope you are understanding. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's get rid of this thing. For 1 point perspective, we are going to have, let's say, a space like that. General trivia is like that. Your height is going to be almost half. Let's see, we are drawing a room. Your height is going to be. Your height is going to be almost half of the room. And the vanishing point, kids understand this, vanishing point always will be on eye level itself. It is not going to change. Has to be on eye level all the time. Okay, so now you have a center. That's a vanishing point because we are focusing there. That's a station point. Okay, station point where we stand and focus. Keep the eye, the angle of the eye. All right. So now here we have the vanishing point. The distance is being created here if you're standing here in this line only, okay? So all these things are, following the same thing, right? All right, now we get the space. We have the space here. Inside that, we have to create, let's say, one object. Let's say a sofa. A sofa has what kind of structure? A cubical structure? Like that, so? Let's say you have a sofa here. Going like, कुछ ज़्यादा ही बड़ा सोफा नहीं बन गया, थोड़ा सा हाइट इसे कम करते हैं. Yeah. Do maintain that your line here should not cross this wall, because from here this is the first, this is the floor, and this is the wall. So ये ऊपर नहीं चला जाए. ये this corner should not go on this one. Otherwise ये लगेगा ना कि फिर ये उल्टा इस पे wall पे उसको खड़ा करके रखा गया है. This is what will happen if you do that situation. Then this is what going to happen. Maintain this gap. Maintain. Can you see this the wall? This is the floor. This is the floor, and this is the wall. Now you see that there is a gap here, right? There is a gap here. But if you don't create this gap, अगर तुम इसको रख देते ये ऐसे दिखेगा, ये wall पे दिखेगा. Then this corner of the product is going to be here, not on the floor. So ये वाला mistake कभी नहीं करना, ठीक है? Always keep this gap. not this side, but on the floor. All right. Now from here, we just discussed that width and the length are not going to create distance. They are not creating distance, so they are going to be static, cuboid, or a rectangle or a square. But length is creating distance, and if this is creating distance, then it will go on the vanishing point. A vanishing point, we already have it. Go like that, go like that, go like that. Whenever you are creating an examination, do not be too much rigid. Just have one point and you do visual measurement there. Visual measurement. तुमको लाइन वैसे ही बनाने लगे कि वहां पे जा रहा है कि नहीं जा रहा है, भूल जाओ. But you have to create that kind of sense. Okay, this line is going perfectly there. Okay. After that, you create a structure for your sofa. Let's see, this is a structure for the sofa. You can do some carving kind of stuff, you know. This is the handle. This is a sitting posture position. So you can erase this part, and here you can have this kind of structure. Here was a sitting part, and you can go like that. Sitting part. Then the length is going to be exactly there. Okay. Now from here we are going to create this line on the vanishing point. After that, you can erase all these lines, but you do maintain these lines. Vanishing point going like that, coming straight till the sitting posture. Here, sitting part going straight, coming down, and after that, create the handle. So handle starting from here. That's the handle. Now we are done with the sofa. Alright. If ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा लंबा हो रहा है तो साइज कम कर देना उसका, यहाँ तक कर देना. And from here it will go like that. So the sitting posture will change now here. Okay. थोड़ा सा width कम हो गया. Can you see that? The width has reduced now. लंबा सा सोफा बन गया. Right? Similarly, you can create any kind of object inside that. You can create a bed, you can create a center table, keeping that same line. Feel like this is going there. The height is going to be straight now. Height has to be straight. Light pencil से draw करो इसको. Create one structure like that. After that, draw with a very light pencil. Straight line. Always do these structured lines. Do not miss this structured line. With very light pencil, you just need to draw one line. Okay. And after that, इसके अंदर dark little bit ऐसे करके, you can create a kind of a, you know, the straight line which is you're creating here is going to give you very much, you know, your composition is not going to look tedha if you maintain this line. But if you don't draw this line and उसके बाद फैंसी चीज बनाना शुरू करोगे तो पता चला इसका इधर साइड आगे निकल गया. मतलब, oh sorry, there was some people who don't understand in Hindi. You'll find out that one side is going little bit haywire, this side. Later on, you'll find out like things happens when you're creating this thing. One side, it doesn't look symmetrical. Happens to be tedha. How to maintain that? You know that it has to come straight, go straight like that. Very light pencil, and keeping this one as a guideline, you create equal side, equal distance, and this will maintain, this will keep the balance of the product. Okay, फिर यहाँ से like, you know, fancy stand for the table. You can go like that. Okay. So now this kind of ideas you need to incorporate. You can draw any of the object. Similar. Now you have to look for 2-point perspective. You are understanding, no? This vanishing point and all this stuff, Divesh. Let's do some speculation with that 3D model. वहाँ पे perspective
I
दिख
have
रहा है
a
बहुत.
question here. Question.
Yes, Aswat.
How to maintain the height of the table with the sofa from the
How
floor?
to maintain the height of the table with the sofa? Okay. So basically what happens, I'm going to give you, please open your head, all of you. The basic height of a man is happens to be almost half of the room, right? So that's the height of the man. Till what height your sofa comes? The top part of the sofa.
Almost 3 to
What height it
3.5
comes?
feet. 3 to 3.5.
No, भूल जाओ वो सारा कहानी भूल जाओ. Forget the mathematics here. Let's talk about normal people, like normal people. बॉडी के कौन से पार्ट तक हाइट आता है सोफे का?
West.
Almost till the waist level.
Wait.
Almost till the waist
person.
level. Little bit below the waist level. Little bit below, not till the waist level, but
Yes.
little bit below. The waist level of a person happens to be half of that. Okay, fourth head पे आता है. That comes on the fourth head. So little bit below that. Now little bit below you have here, right? Tuck, 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 tuck. From here you manage this line. That will be the height of the sofa here. Also, you'll find it. What is the height of the table? What is the height of the table?
So if center table, then the less than the height of the sofa means almost
घुटने के आसपास आता है.
the 3/4 of a human being.
Till the knee.
Sorry, 1/4.
Yeah, it comes around the knee. Maybe little bit below the knee.
Knees. Knee.
Maybe little bit below the knee, right? Little bit below. But around the knee it comes, right? Around the knee it comes. Where the knee will come? Half of that. Now this is the height. Now if the person is standing here, this is going to look like this much. But if the person is standing here, what's gonna happen? How much the height will look? From here till here. That's the height of the person is going to look if the person is standing here. Half. How to maintain that half? If you draw a line like that, no? Oh, that was around the half. Okay, almost coming here. That's going to be the length of and half of that, the half of that. You maintain this. This will be the height of the table. Okay. So
Then you are muted.
Sir, you are not audible.
So actually this will be the situation here. I did it a bit wrong. If the person is standing here, according to that, the placement of the person is right here, then it's not going to be in the same line like that. Look at that. So the person has to stand here for this part. Okay, and you see we'll join half of that, ghutna, half of that. So understand this relativity of the height and the size. Okay, getting it? So this will be one situation. 4 बज गया, चलो कल करते हैं. अभी तुम लोग इतना समझो, ठीक है? I'll just give you Gaurav sir. I'll take just 2 minutes. Then we'll start the next class. Or we have time. Gaurav sir.
Sir, the next class is at 4:30, right?
Gaurav sir, we have time, no? I think this class will run till 4:20.
Gaurav sir is not here.
Mr. Gaurav, 2-point perspective. So that's all. That's all for today. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. See you tomorrow. Have fun with this thing, okay? And explore. Bye bye.
Okay.